on? Let's finish pumping this gas real quick. How much is gas in y'all city? Gas here is like $3.59. But if you use the gas app, you get money back on the per gallon. Where's my keys at? I can't see. I'm on demand tonight, y'all. I wasn't able to grab any shifts, any blocks on the scheduling. But I don't really care because you can pull up and drive off with some bags and go make some deliveries just like that. Pulling up on the side of me, you see I'm pulling away from the gas tank. All right, I'm on my way back. I guess we must be busy or something because I'm almost close to the warehouse. Y'all can't even see me. Anyways, I'm almost close to the warehouse. Damn, I'm gonna have to flip this. I can't even flip it while I'm on the front screen. Okay. On my way back to the GoPuff warehouse, I just did 4 drop-offs. They just sent me a notification to pick up 2 more drop-offs. I'm probably like 30 seconds, 60 seconds from the warehouse. And I'm on demand. I have no block schedule for tonight. I just came up here, logged in, waited for a little while, and the people came out. I was about to go in and let them know I was here, but they saw me in the parking lot already, and you know, they did what they had to do, and now I'm in rotation. So you can go on demand with GoPuff. You can pull up, log in, and drive off with some bags, go and deliver them, make you some money. All right? You don't have to wait on these blocks to drop. You don't have to wait this on Thursdays for that schedule to pop out, and then we play Mad Max with the schedules. Just go up there and get in line. Well, not technically get in line, but go on up there and log in. Go on demand. Excuse me, y'all. Look at this. I cracked my screen. I cracked my screen. I cracked my screen. Look at this. New phone. Now I'm gonna have to order a new screen. But I done made over $100 so far in less than 3 hours. But the point is, I dropped my... Anyways, it'll be alright.